Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. Today we are going to do integers, introduction to integers. What are integers? Let us see what are integers. Okay, let us start with whole numbers. What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0. 0 from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. They all are whole numbers. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity. Endless. These all are called whole numbers. Now let us come to the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Also up to infinity. All these numbers are called natural numbers. So what is the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers? In whole numbers, 0 is included, but in natural numbers, 0 is not included. If without 0, these will be natural numbers. That means all these are natural numbers, but if 0 is also included, it is called whole numbers. WHOLE, whole numbers. Whole numbers means from 0 to infinity, and natural numbers means from 1 to infinity. 0 will not be coming. 0 is excluded from natural numbers, and 0 is included in whole numbers. Now let us see what is integers. Integers means if we have told you 1, 2, 3, etc. all these natural numbers also comes in integers. Now 0, then again now all the whole numbers comes in integers. Now -1, -2, -3 means negative numbers. The numbers which are positive, 0 and negative numbers comes in integers. Integers means negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. These all comes in integers. Okay, we will we will study it in detail in the future classes. In class 7, class 8. Now this is for class 6. So here what are integers? Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers are called integers. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers are called integers. Okay. Now let us see what are integers in a number line. If you draw a number line means we will plot all the numbers in the number line with equal distances. Okay. So in a number line, in the middle it will be 0. And right of 0 there will be positive numbers, and left of 0 there will be negative numbers. Means these all are positive numbers and these all are negative numbers. In between there will be 0. So after in the right of 0 there will be positive numbers, and the left of 0 there will be negative numbers. And we know that 5 is greater than 4. So that is 5 is greater than 4. 4 is greater than 3. 3 is greater than 2. That means in this way it will be increasing. 0, 1, 2. This is increasing. Same way negative numbers also will be the same. That is -1 is greater than -2. -1 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -5. -5 is greater than -8. Means otherwise what 2 is greater than 1, right? But in negative numbers, the smaller digit is greater than the bigger digit. That is 1 is otherwise 2 is greater than 1. But in this case, in negative numbers, -1 is greater than -2. Here also 5 is greater than 2. But in negative minus cases, -2 is greater than -5. Means in negative numbers, as the number decreases, the value will be increasing. Means 5 is bigger number in positive number, but -5 is smaller than -2 in integers, negative integers. In negative numbers, as the number is decreasing, the value will be increasing. Means -2 is greater than -5. -5 is greater than -8. As the number value 5 and 8, if we see, then the value of 5 is smaller than 8 in positive integers, but -5 value of -5 is greater than -8 in negative integers. So that is just opposite to positive numbers. So this you should always remember, that in the positive integers and the negative integers, greater than will be different. Means in negative numbers, as the number will be less, the value will be more, and as the number will be more, the value will be less. Means minus 5 is greater than minus 8. If two digits are given, that is minus 25 and minus 1. Which one is greater? Minus 25 and minus 1. Which one is greater? Greater will be minus 1. Means as we go to the right side, that number will be greater. As we go to the left side, that numbers will be smaller. So here minus 2 is greater than minus 5. Minus 1 is greater than minus 4. 0 is greater than minus 1. 2 is greater than 0. 2 is greater than minus 1. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 0. 5 is greater than minus 2. In this way it continues. So in this number line, if I want you to plot minus 3. So where will be minus 3? Here. This is minus 3. If it is given that plot the number 0, then where will be it will be? It will be here. If you got the question to plot number 5, then you will plot this one as number 5. And if you are given to plot minus 5, then it will be here minus 5. In this way you can plot any numbers in a number line. Let us do the question. Addition using number line. So if in addition, if addition and more than right, these three things you have to remember. So in this way, if I am giving you question that 2 more than 4, how will we do this one? 2 more than 4. So first of all we will start with 4. So 4, this one is here 4, and we told you that more than means right. More than means add, and we have to move to the right side. So 2 more than 4. So from 4 we will go to 2 places in front to the right side. That is the answer is 6. So 2 more than 4 means 2 plus 4. That is equal to 6. Okay. Let us do one more question. 4 more than minus 2. Okay. 4 more than minus 2 means we will start from minus 2. So where is minus 2? Minus 2 is here. From this point, how much point we have to go to the right side, right? More than means right. So minus 2, 4 right means 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? That is 2. Okay. Now if it is more than minus 4, if it is given 2 more than minus 4. 2 more than minus 4. Then how will we do this one? So means we will start from minus 4. So this is here, and from this we will have to go to the right side 2 numbers. 1, 2. Then what will we get? Minus 2. Then the answer is minus 2. 2 more than minus 4 is minus 2. Okay. In this way we can do all the more than numbers using this method. Add means more means right. So if it is given more than, so we will start from this number and will move this number of times to the right side. That is from minus 4 we will jump 2 times and we will get the answer. In this way we can add using number line. Now let us go for less than. Now let us see subtraction. If in subtraction means that means less. Less means we have to go to the left side. Less means left side. Okay. So let us do some 2 questions. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5 means 5. Less means subtraction. That means we have to go to the left side, and less than 5. So let us start from 5. So 5. This is the number. From here, where we have to go? Left side, because less than. So from there, 5, from 5 we have to go to the left side. How many numbers? 4 times we have to jump. That is from 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much we got? 1. That means answer is 1. 4 less than 5 means 1. Okay. Now let us see this question. 3 less than minus 2. So where is minus 2? It is here. So we have to extend this one. Okay. So it is written 3 less than minus 2. So we will start from minus 2 here, and we have to go to the left side. Since it is less, we have to go left side. So from minus 2, how many times? 5. 3. That means 1, 2, 3. The answer is minus 5. Okay, 3 less than minus 2 means minus 5. In this way, you can do addition as well as subtraction using a number line. Now, let us do the addition. Let us solve the integers using number line. So, question is 9 plus minus 6. How will we do this? Let us make the number line again. Okay. So, 9 plus minus 6. So, let us go to the 9 number first from 0. Let us jump to 9 first. Okay. We have gone to 9. Now, from that, what is given? It is minus. Minus means we will go to the left side. Okay. So, left side. Let us go to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what is the answer? 3. So, 9 plus minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay. In this way, let us do this question also. Again, minus 5 plus 10. So, first of all, where will we go? First of all, we will go to the number minus 5. So, we will go to minus 5 first. Okay. Then we will, what we have to do? Plus 10. That means we have to the right side. Plus means right side. So, 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what is the answer? 5. Okay. In this way, we can solve the integers using number line. Any number of questions which will be there, we can do like this. Whatever, if there is plus, then but we have to check the numbers inside. Plus minus is minus. So, 9 plus minus 6. We have to do like this one. In this way, first we will go to this number. And from there, plus means we will go to the right side. And if it is minus number, we will go to the left side. So, we have completed some section of integers. So, go through this section and we are coming with the next number line, without number line, addition without number line in the next video. Before that, please go through this video, addition using number line. And after that, we are coming with a new video in which addition without number line. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and be with us for the next coming videos. Thank you. Bye.